Future entrepreneurs, Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Today we have made it to day number 129 of this My Lead Gen Secret Challenge. And if you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, we are shooting a 1 year challenge where we are promoting one offer from a place called ClickBank, and we're using a service called My Lead Gen Secrets. We're putting those two together. We're somehow seeing if we can earn a full-time income doing so within 1 year of doing it. Okay. So we have made it here, guys, to another day. Go back and watch these videos so you can kind of get up to speed. I know we're, climbing along in these videos. So you coming in at day number 129, you may not know, what's going on. Okay. But if not, you can still watch this video where you can kind of get ahead. And if you want to see, you want to jump right to the results. I do show you a last 30-day overview of what we've been doing with this traffic. All right. So let's get right into it, guys. If you guys don't know what let's go over My Lead Gen Secrets. All right. If you don't know what My Lead Gen Secret is, right? It's an email service that provides 100 to 200 business opportunity leads every single day. Okay, so every day you come into your back office, you're either going to see 100 or 200 leads, whichever one. Okay, now what separates the two is determines how many accounts that you have. All right, now the cool thing about My Lead Gen Secrets is that you can have multiple accounts with this method. Okay, with this service. Excuse me. With this service, you can have multiple accounts. Okay. And just a little bit about myself, guys. I've been doing this for over a few years now. I totally love the service. I've promoted tons of different offers to the My Lead Gen Secret platform. I can tell you that it does work. These leads do convert, okay, and you will get paid, all right, if you do it consistently. All right, and that's the thing. You have to come in every single day and send out emails. With this method, you're going to be able to come in every 24 hours and send out an email with this system. Okay. So the cool thing is that you can get in front of people every single day to promote whatever business opportunity offer that you want. Okay. And you will get traffic and get hits to that website, to that, affiliate page. All right. So once you get started, guys, your back office is going to look exactly like this. Okay. You're going to have these tabs coming across the top here. You're going to have all your emails. The only thing different is what's going to look different is the emails that you send out versus what I send out. Okay. Everything may looks a little different because obviously we're sending emails out on different days. All right. So if you go over here to the My Leads tab, it just shows you all the leads that you have coming in every single day. And like I said, I have 8 different accounts, but I also have 200 leads coming in on those accounts. So I pretty much have, thousands of people every single month that I'm able to reach every single month with whatever offer that I want to use. Okay. You got master email swipes. These are just the additional emails that you can purchase if you want. This right here is the mailing system, guys. This is basically where you're going to go and send out an email. Okay. So all you would pretty much have to do is you would come back here. Let me show you how easy it is. You just click on select all. What that does, it transfer all those emails over so you can get ready to send out an email. All right. So the offer that we are using for this method is going to be an offer called Social Sales Rep. Okay, this is a offer that is on ClickBank. This is one of the top offers in the e-business e-marketing section, and this is the offer that we are using for this challenge. All right. So the cool thing about this offer is that it comes with 20 pre-written email swipes that you can use. Okay. And these are the emails that I use, month in and month out, okay, to send to our prospects. All right. And you guys can come in and use these same emails if you like, or you can go, make your own emails or repurpose these emails. Or you can use some type of AI service or something like that if you want to come up with cool stuff. Okay. So pretty much what I would do starting out, I wouldn't worry about going to make your own emails. I would start with these first 20 emails. And the reason why is because these emails convert. Okay. These emails work. All right. You send these emails into this traffic, you're going to get hits. And you're going to get, you will see progress and you will get, you will get sales if you come in here and you send them all out. All right. So I'm not going to just tell you that you're going to come in and send out a couple emails. You're going to make thousands of dollars next week. That's not what I'm saying. You got to come in. You got to send these emails out consistently in order to see some type of progress. All right. So let's just grab one of these emails so I can show you what I'm talking about. Now every email, let me just show you what every email kind of looks like, all right, or what these emails look like. You're going to have a subject line where basically it's just like sending a regular email, like in Gmail or Yahoo, whatever service that you use. It's the same thing as sending an email. You have a subject line on what the email is about. You got a body of text that you're going to use. So you would just copy that and then you're going to paste that over to the system. And then you also have a affiliate link that you're going to be able to use that goes right here where it says click here. We're going to turn these two words into a clickable link. And what I like to do is I like to just grab the whole sentence right here and we're going to just make this whole thing a clickable link. Okay, so let's go ahead and I'm just going to show you guys real quick on how to paste that over if you have no idea on how to do this. All right. So you want to control C. All right. So take this control C, come over here to the mailing system and you want to control V, right? You come down here to the body of text. Make sure you click on perfect timing. As you can see, you can send out one every 24 hours. I've already sent out my emails for tonight. I come in every night around this time and send out my emails before shooting my videos. Okay. So you want to come here to the body of text. You want to just take this out and you want to go ahead and put in the body right here. And this is what I mean, guys, by this being super easy to do because all you're doing is copying and pasting over, and it takes you about 5 to 10 minutes to do this every single day. Okay. So this 5 to 10 minutes for you to earn extra income online, I would say would be worth it. Okay. So control V. There's going to be three things that you're going to need to change in this email. Okay. Number one, let's just start at the top. Number one is going to be the name, right? That right there this is just an example, right here, post right here. So basically, is this an example quote? So you want to basically what that wants you to do, you want to take this name right here where it says you can either address your prospect by their full name, first name, last name, or email address. Okay. And what we're going to do is address our prospect by their first name. So we're going to control C and we're going to take this. All right. And since we want to address them by their first name, we're going to put it right here, right next to where it says hi name. Okay. So that way, when this email goes out, it says like, hi, Jermaine, hi, John, hi, Marcus, whatever your name is, right? It changes this right here and it puts in the prospect's name. Okay. Which is pretty awesome because it makes it more personable. Okay. Number two thing that we're going to have to change is we're going to have to, like I said, we're going to have to make this a clickable link. So let's just grab this sentence, and how you make this a clickable link is you come to this link tab, you click on that, you come back here and you grab this affiliate link right here and you're going to control C. And what you're going to do is you're going to take this out right here and you're going to put in your ClickBank affiliate ID that you came up with whenever you signed up for ClickBank. All right. So you just want to come here. That's not what I wanted to do. And then control V. Okay. And we're going to take out this and you're going to want to put in your affiliate ID. Okay. Boom. Like we just did that. Boom and boom. Okay. So that looks easy. Want to click on OK. And then boom, we just got a clickable link. And the last thing we have to do, number three, is we got to take out where it says signature. And you want to either put in your name or management, whichever one. Okay. And you want to control A and you want to make this a little bit bigger, either 16 or 18, whichever one you guys like. So now this email looks pretty good. It's ready to go out to our prospect. Okay. Not only do we are addressing our prospect by their first name, we're telling them the job opportunity. And then we also tell them the income potential. And then also we have a clickable link right here for them. And we're showing them who the email is from. Okay. So everything looks good to go. And then all you have to do is come down here, either click on, there's going to be two buttons. One's going to say send now. The other one's going to say preview. Click on preview the email, make sure that this link works and it goes to your affiliate page. And then once you know it goes to your affiliate page, then all we got to do is click on send. Boom. We just sent out an email in the My Lead Gen secret and it was super easy to do. Okay. All you're doing is copying and pasting. It's going to be quicker for you. Me, I'm just showing you guys how to do it. So that's why it's taking a little longer. But once you start copying and pasting things over, it's going to be super easy and super quick to do. Okay. But that's how you send out an email in the My Lead Gen secret system, guys. It's super easy. If you guys want to get started with this system, go ahead and come down here where it says more. And then you want to click on this link right here. that MLG as True Freedom, and it's going to take you to the My Legion Secret landing page. And then this is where you're going to start with the program. Okay. And right now, my browser is just, internet's running a little slow. So it may be just taking a little bit of time. But let's go ahead and go over here to clickbank.com. Clickbank is a place, is a platform where you're going to be able to go and you're going to be able to grab business opportunity offers and you're going to be able to create an email and then send them to your My Legion secret traffic. Okay. And the reason why we pick Clickbank because it's super easy to get started with. It doesn't cost you anything to get started and you can actually sign up today and get your accounts working today and start using the offers today. Okay. So that's why we went with ClickBank. Now you don't actually have to use ClickBank. There's other platforms out there that you can use, such as Warrior Plus. That's another platform that I've used that I've earned income with the system. Also, you can use JV Zoo. There's other business opportunity offers on there. And there's also a place called Max Bounty, which is I've earned income with Max Bounty as well, guys. And there's tons of other platforms that I've used that I've tested this traffic with, and I know it does work. Okay, but ClickBank is going to be something free for you guys to get started. It takes you about 5 minutes to create your account, and then boom, you're activated. All right. So, not before this video series, I created the ClickBank account. I have multiple ClickBank accounts, okay, that I use for other offers and other things that I do online. But this specific ClickBank account I created just for you guys, just to show you this 1 year challenge. Okay. So this is pretty much a brand new account. I'm only using it. Well, I use it for a couple of things, but the main thing that I'm using it for is this method. Okay. Where we are promoting one offer on ClickBank. Okay. And we're using one service for traffic called My Legion Secrets. All right. Now, the other accounts that I have, I do paid advertising. So, I do pay for, Facebook ads, Google ads, and native ads, and different things like that that I do online, guys. But this is right here. I'm just showing you guys this method because it's super easy to do and it's very inexpensive to do. You're not paying for ads and things like that to testing and all that crap that goes into paid advertising. That's a little bit more advanced once you start to learn more about, paid advertising and how to create campaigns and stuff like that. You don't have to worry about nothing with this method. Okay. All you got to do is pay for your traffic and you create an email and you send it out to the traffic. Okay. And this is something super easy for someone who is in affiliate marketing, who's looking to get their feet wet, and looking to earn extra income online. Okay. This is probably, I would say, I've been doing this, guys, over a century now, with being online and earning income, is that I can tell you that this is probably the easiest thing to do online to make money. Okay. You're not doing anything special. All you're doing is copying and pasting emails over to the system. And it takes you about less than 10 minutes to come in and work this method to receive this extra income that you see in front of you. Okay. This right here, guys, is the last 30-day overview. I was doing it day by day. In my previous videos, you can kind of see where I'm just doing daily snapshots, but now I'm just doing a 30-day overview. So you can see the consistency of the sales that are coming in. Okay. Right now, you're seeing the gaps that are here, and that's because this is the algorithm right now that we have gotten to so far. Okay. Now, before in the earlier videos, these were more spread out. If you've noticed that you may have got a sale here, and then one way over here, and then one way over here. Okay. Excuse me. But as we proceeded and as we stayed consistent with sending out emails, as you can see, these sales got closer and closer together. Okay, so not only was it every other day, we may have a sale back to back. Okay, or it may be every 2 days. Okay, now this is much of a more larger gap because, like I said before, I was in Nebraska traveling, getting my daughter set up for college. So there was a gap right there. But once I got back to my house, then I started to get back on this specific method and I started to earn sales consistently all over again. Okay. So I just wanted to show you guys what this looks like from a 30-day overview. And every day I'm going to come in and show you a past 30-day overview. That way you can see if it's consistent or not. Okay. Now I don't plan on taking any more breaks. Okay. Until, in the future. But right now, you should start seeing a little bit more consistency with the sales coming in, because I'm going to be back on the thing super hard every single day. Okay. So I just wanted to show you guys what this looks like. Okay. Today is September the 2nd. Well, it just hit the 3rd because it's after midnight, but let's just say technically the 2nd still. Okay. And this is the bird's eye view over the last 30 days. So you can see this is not something that we just make sales with, in one day. Okay, this is the past 30 days, and I can even go further back to show you guys even more sales, but I just want to do a 30-day overview so that way you can see that we are making money. We're making money pretty consistent with this thing. And I also wanted to show you too with this graph here, eventually you're going to start seeing these gaps get closer and closer together where we're going to start seeing sales every single day. Okay, that's the whole goal here, guys. All right. So I've already sent out my emails for tonight. So tomorrow we'll come back the next day, tomorrow, and we're going to go over the sales and see if we got any traffic or anything new that has happened. All right. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Okay. If you can do that for me, subscribe to this channel, hit that like button below this video. Let me know what you think about this stuff, or if it's helping you, or if it's helping anyone else, or if you have any comments or anything like that that you want to put on here. If you see something that I'm not seeing, if you want to, help in that way, I'm always willing to learn, or even willing to hear what you got to say about whatever you're doing online. So, like I said, I've been doing this for a while, guys. I've promoted, tons of offers, and I do, paid advertising. So I pretty much know about this industry that we're in. Okay. And I'm doing a lot of cool stuff online. But for right now, I just want to start off with something easy for you guys. So subscribe to this channel, guys. This channel is called True Freedom Income for one reason. Okay. Because I'm going to start showing you different methods and different ways of earning income that can help you in your future. Okay. And something, do stuff where you can build on. All right. So I'm going to end this video on this note. I'm not going to take too much more of your time. I'm going to meet you guys back here tomorrow at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.